Hello and Assalamu alaikum Metaverse Millionaires. If you need to make an account on Vex Cloud wallet, then stop and first watch this video. It will save tons of your time. You already know that Vex, the worldwide asset exchange, is a purpose-built blockchain for the fastest e-commerce transactions and for gaming platforms. These days, several play to earn gaming projects are being built on this Vex blockchain. And when these gaming projects offer you some giveaways or airdrops, they ask you about your Vex wallet address. In one of my previous videos, I already have shared all details about Vexel World project that was built on Vex blockchain. I won a giveaway from Vexel World, and to claim those goodies, I need to register on Vex Cloud wallet. That giveaway was time sensitive and I was encountering one error after the other on Vex wallet. So listen these tips carefully. If you choose email option for account registration, then be careful about two things. Always select password carefully. Here you will put email, and for password always select some lower letters, then digits, one or two, then symbols like at the rate of, forward slash, backslash, question mark, something like that, and one capital letter or one and two capital letters, and should be around 8, 9 or 10. Then put a captcha very carefully. Okay, put the captcha very carefully, otherwise you will trigger their anti-bot or anti-cheating kind of system. Once you trigger that, then it would be very hard to fix the errors. They will keep on sending you emails that your registration is successful, welcome to Vex World, but in fact they won't register you. Okay, now and for this captcha, be careful. You have to slide this arrow and very carefully put on the right place, right? And then you have to click on sign up. But the problem after signing up will be that they will ask you about 5 Vex and for some kind of codes and stuff like that. Okay, no problem in depositing some Vex on their Vex wallet, but the thing is, you are a beginner, you don't know how to deposit, from where to buy Vex and stuff like that. The easiest way to register on Vex Cloud wallet is to register with Facebook ID. And let's say you have signed up with your email and you have the same email for your Facebook, then they won't register you. You will keep getting those errors. You need to register with some other email or some other Facebook, right? Don't use Facebook with the same email ID. With Facebook ID, you can easily manage everything, right? Here you can click on Facebook, and then and the better way is first log in to your Facebook account, right? And then open this Vex wallet in some other tab, and then click on Facebook sign up. Click on sign up, then click on Facebook, and then you will be immediately signed up. This way you will be on your Vex wallet, right? And I tell you what is your address, from where you will get the address. You have to click on this Vex icon, and you can see this, your wallet address is at the top, Ceate. You can send money, receive money, and buy WAXP Vex tokens with the help of this address. Okay, I think these tips will help you, and if you have further questions, you can ask me. You can also join the Discord of Vex. You can also join Earning in Metaverse Discord server. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.